we are going for Hyderabad tour. Whole day we are going to explore every important tourist places. So here Guddu, our special guest. Not we are not the guest. Guddu is the guest. Hello.
Finally took a break from my routine and went on a Hyderabad trip with my family. And trust me, this had everything: culture, history, amazing food, and unforgettable views. I was really looking forward to this trip. So let's begin day one of exploring Hyderabad together. We started our day at Birla Mandir, and the moment we reached there, the heat was at the top, and we need to submit the phone.
और जाके उधर जाके जूता रखना है, फिर जाके भगवान जी के पास चलना है मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ। ये रहा मेरी दीदी, दीदी के छोटू सा बच्चा और मेरा जीजा। बहुत गर्मी है, हम लोगों को अभी बस फ़ोन मिला है, हम लोग फ़ोन सबमिट करके गए थे। ये रहा प्रसाद और एक ने प्रसाद खाना ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर दिया है। कैसा है?
We were unable to walk barefoot in the road and the temple. We were running there, and the temple architecture looked beautiful, and the view of the city from above just made it even more special. It honestly gave such a positive and refreshing start to our day. After that, as the sun started getting stronger, we took a small break for some fresh sugarcane juice, which felt super refreshing in that heat. After that, we headed straight to my family restaurant for lunch because by then we were feeling super hungry after all the traveling and heat. As soon as we entered the restaurant, the place was quite crowded, which already made us feel that the food must be really good. After waiting for some time, even some more time, the waiter finally started serving our food. And honestly, the smell itself made us even more hungry. We first tried reshmi kebabs, which were really soft, juicy, and full of flavor. And then came the main highlight, the Hyderabadi mutton biryani. The biryani was absolutely amazing, rich in flavor and perfectly cooked. It truly felt like experiencing Hyderabad on a plate, and every single bite was completely worth it, but it was little spicy for me. After a satisfying meal, we headed towards Golconda Fort, one of the most famous historical places in Hyderabad. By the time we reached there, the weather was honestly extremely hot. So, before entering, we quickly bought hats to protect ourselves from the heat. Even after that, the temperature was still difficult to handle. But our excitement to explore the fort was much stronger than the weather. Since it was the first visit here for my husband and nephew, they were especially excited and curious to see everything inside the fort. After taking the tickets, we finally entered the place and started exploring. Near the entrance, we saw a huge cannon placed there, which looked really interesting and gave proper historical vibes to the whole place.
कैसा लग रहा है गोलकुंडा में आके? मजा आ रहा है। गुड्डू, तुमको कैसा लग रहा है? तुम्हारा भी फर्स्ट टाइम है? सामने देख।
Everywhere around us, there were old stones, pathways, and massive structures that made the fort real grand and full of history. As we started walking further and climbing the steps, we slowly realized that reaching the top was definitely not going to
इधर
be
और
easy.
वॉक करने का कोई क्या बोलते हैं स्कोप नहीं दिख रहा है। बहुत गर्मी है और हम लोग वॉक नहीं कर पा रहे। पैर एकदम खुल गया, पानी खत्म हो गया। पता नहीं आगे पहले जन्म में लोग कैसे ऊपर आते थे।
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, चलो।
पालकी में आते थे क्या? लड़कियां कैसे आते थे बोलो?
The steps were long and steep, the sunlight was continuously draining our energy, and every few minutes we needed water or small break. At some point, we were completely tired and out of breath. And finally, when we reached at the top, I felt like such an achievement. The view from there was absolutely breathtaking. Now, the most important part, that is, you could see the entire Hyderabad city along with lakes, greenery, playground, and even distant areas that look so tiny from above.
हम लोग ऊपर आ गए और ये रहा ऊपर का व्यू। पूरा हैदराबाद दिखता है इधर से, देखो बहुत अच्छा नज़ारा है। इतना हार्ड वर्क करके आए हैं, अच्छे से देख लीजिए।
Standing there and looking at the city from top of Golconda Fort felt really special. It is amazing how a place with so much history still stands so strong and continues to attract so many people from different places. The fort gives such a grand and royal vibe, and at the same time, you also get this beautiful modern view of Hyderabad around it. The cool breeze at the top after such a tiring climb honestly felt like the best reward. We spent some time there just enjoying the scenery, relaxing and taking pictures and admiring how beautiful the whole city looked from above. We finally started heading down from Golconda Fort. Coming down honestly felt a little easier compared to the climb, and this time we were properly enjoying the surroundings without being too tired or rushed. After that, finally coming down, and we took a cab to explore more parts of the city. During this ride, we relaxed for a while and enjoyed the Hyderabad city views from window. On the way, we passed by some important places. The weather also started becoming slightly better as the sun slowly began setting, and it was very good to see that and feel that. And later reached the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar statue. The entire area was beautifully designed with fountains, lights, and a huge statue standing tall above, which looked really impressive. By then, the sun had already started setting, and the sky looked so beautiful, adding a calm and relaxing vibe to the surroundings. As we moved ahead, we got a view of Hussain Sagar, also known as Tank Bond. The combination of water, city lights, and evening sky made the place look really stunning and peaceful. We stopped there for a while to explore some street food. We had momos, did a little bit of shopping, and then just sat there near the lake, enjoying the cool breeze and beautiful view. Everyone around was just relaxing, spending time with their families, and it felt really nice to just pause and enjoy the moment without any rush. Overall, it was such a fun, tiring, but truly memorable day with my family. From peaceful vibes to adventurous climbing, from delicious food to relaxing evening views, this day had everything. And just like that, day one come to the end. There is lot of more to explore in Hyderabad. So the next part is coming soon. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next one. Bye for now.